All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today we are here in central Las Vegas. We are located in a subdivision called Section 10. What you'll see is within Section 10 is a very desirable community, neighborhood. These are all old school individual custom homes back in the day. What I like about Section 10, it definitely has its own charm. So there's a lot of value to Section 10. And what it is that a lot of people will buy homes in Section 10 and rehab the home. As you can see, this one right here is actually a corner lot right here, okay? And this home right here is 3,317 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and a total of 4 baths. This is a single story, 4-car garage, and it does have a casita, but let me show you this here, okay? You have RV parking. Now this is completely rehabbed on this one. Now the strip is just down this way, down east, probably about 4 or 5 miles here. But as you can see on Section 10, there's a bunch of just all custom homes here. Okay, we're gonna let this UPS driver pass. This home was actually built in 1986. Home has been completely renovated. All right, let's go take a look at this. Let's see what this thing has to offer. Now, what's nice about Section 10 is that there is no HOAs. That's right, no HOAs. I'm gonna take you guys down this way here. So I spoke to the neighbors here. They said that it's very secluded, very quiet. That's what I'm being told. I mean, look how beautiful these homes are. So one of the neighbors here, like that neighbor right there, was telling me that this neighbor here basically spent the money to repave the road, right? Look how beautiful this road is. They resurfaced this and also put up some lights too as well. That's a sense of community. Look at the architectural design back in the early 80s. Isn't this cool? I want you to take a really good look at this thing. Now this home has a lot of charm. It's not your modern type of home, but it has been upgraded. And wait till you see the inside. I think you guys are going to appreciate this. You have the concrete tile, roof tiles here. All the trim has been painted. Exterior has been painted. You have new fixtures. You got this new gate here. Let's go inside. Brand new door. Nice, right? You got a lock to rekey it. As we come inside, take a look at this, folks. Isn't this gorgeous? Maybe a little bit dark. Okay. Look at these cabinets here. You got the thermofoil cabinets. You got the quartz countertops. You have a front face of a 2-inch on here. Full overlays. These are actually MDFs. You have the glides underneath. Soft closing cabinets. Nice hardware. On this one is a little bit unique. You got your cook countertop here, 36-inch. You have the Gen Air, which is definitely a good quality brand. Also, you have your exhaust. Here's your motor, pushes it straight down there. Okay. A couple upgrades here. You got your pot drawers. Beautiful. Let's take a look at this. You have extra pantry. All this stuff is new, by the way. You got your oven, convection, espresso maker. You got the nice subway glass tile. Love that. 42 upper cabinets. See if these are soft closing. I love the hardware on here. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Alright, so it looks like they're getting their car towed there. They also got a brand new window too as well. Wow, they did a lot to this home. Looks like a 1/2 horsepower there. A Badger. Look at this. You got your pull out for your trash. You can't put too much weight on here though. Nice. Love the built-in refrigerator, that's for sure. Okay. Here's the 4-car garage. Let's take a look. What we got here? Let's open this up, get you a little bit light. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 tandem. Well, if you wanted to, you could probably put a couple motorcycles, 1 car, 2 cars, very wide, 3, 4. Okay. This opens up to the Casita. Actually, it was this one that... Oh no, it's the laundry room. Okay, it looks like they tiled the laundry room. You got electric, and it looks like you have a stub for gas, which is cool. Now you'll notice the water heaters, sometimes in the house it's a little bit old school. But again, this home has a lot of charm. Here is your cafe section here. So this is where you're going to put your dining room table. Looks like they did all new rocker switches. Original plantation shutters. Looks like you have some Cat 6 there. I love how the pitch of this roof is. Now this room right here, this is the Casita. Okay, well let me show you in just a second. So basically here's your bathroom, right? Everybody's using this tile, it's gorgeous. Yeah. Nice. So this will take you out to the back courtyard, the pool, right? So that way you can utilize this to take a shower. So that way you don't have to trample in the house. I do love that. It's so old school. Here, come in here. This is the bedroom. And you also have a kitchenette, sink, and all that stuff. Convection microwave. And this takes you back out to the garage. So this is unique. So you park your car here. Your mother-in-law, father-in-law, your kids, they have their own little kitchen, right? You could put a TV here or a TV there and a bed. You got your closet. Then you shut your main door here. You can go out to the pool this way or use your bathroom by just shutting this door. So I do like that. That's cool. Now this would be kind of like your reading room, or this could be your den. Remember, this is just going to be one open floor plan here. You have a brand new 12-foot slide, vinyl slide. You have a very thick orange peel texture here. Okay, this looks like the original, but it has been painted. Coming into one of the bedrooms here. This is a very large bedroom. This is a good 16, probably by 15 feet. Brand new ceiling fans with the LED lights. You got some extra closet space. And let's take a look at the flooring here. Let's get in a better light here. This is actually real flooring here. And this is actually glued to the ground, so look at this. Look at the grain on it. Nice, right? We'll go out to the back in just a second. Got some closet space, coat closet. Show the master last, because they got a beautiful oh, I love this 24 by 16 on the tile work. Oh, I love that. Bigger the better. They didn't skimp out on the countertops here, 36 inches here. Again, you got the quartz, cast iron sink, framed in mirror. Now here's one of the bedroom's 8-foot ceilings. But these rooms are large carpet, brand new. Here you go. Air conditioning just kicked on. I'm gonna come into this bedroom. I know it's a little bit dark, so I apologize. Okay. Get a little bit light on the back side here. I'm gonna turn off this light. But most importantly, my favorite part of this home is actually this fireplace. This is actually the original fireplace. Now what they did with this fireplace is a couple things. This is that modern style brick. Very creative on how they laid this. Let's see here. Okay. Take a look at this, how it's layered. And what they did was they went back and paint the bricks. However, if you notice on these bricks, okay, you still have a little bit red to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. Now, they did that versus spraying it very heavy, right? I love that. And look what they did on this feature wall here. Right? They did the 1/2 inch, 1 inch on this wood here and added a mantle. That is so gorgeous. They did a really good job on that. Love that. You have your door here that takes you back out to the back. And this room is very large. So if you guys want more information about this property, I have a link in the description below. Also, look at the architectural design here with this pitch of the roof. You got the barn door. But look how gorgeous this bathroom is. Okay? You got the floating vanity, standalone tub with this mirror here, not the mirror, but the window. And take a look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. They made this into a spa-like. I love this design. They could have ended the backsplash here, but they took it all the way across to give that luxury look. And what's most exciting about this is a couple things. They did the 0 threshold so that it come in and bust the concrete, and you have your 3/4 inch on here on the glass. But I mean, take a look at this. Man, that's a gorgeous design. Love that. Did a really good job. Now look at these black fixtures here. Here's the original closet cabinets, okay? Pretty cool, right? Then we just have the toilet. So, but man, that bathroom is cool. Now let's go back out to the backyard here because there's a lot to look at. Like I said, I will have the information in the description below. So here it takes you to the bathroom. Now, the backstory about this, according to the neighbors, somebody did live here. They decided to fill in the pool at one point. They redug up the pool. You got river rock. Take a look at all this back. Oh, what is this? Is this an apple tree? Oh my gosh, this is an apple tree. Look at that. Well, that's cool. I don't have the lot size measurements, but like I said, just click on the link in the description below. Get you all that. And all the trims have been painted. Gorgeous. Look at this. I'd make this into a basketball court. Half court right here. So here's our RV parking off to the side. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. If you can see yourself living here. Look at that. let's go back inside with the nice air conditioning. You gotta appreciate the architectural design on a home like this in the early 80s. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, I just want to let you know I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.